Let's do this! You and me!
Oh, selling out was so worth it.
Friendship is freaking magic, pal! Unicorn power!
There, I see it.
Let's waste them!
Boys, step aside. I'm a professional.
Stay close, guys!
Next stop, victory.
Let's get them!
Practice makes perfect. Although, I'm already perfect.
Bang! I make it look easy. Yeah, it's ours now!
Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about.
That is how a unicorn gets it done, son! Oh, that is beautiful!
I know. Impressive.
Yo, I ought to be on a baseball card!
Bring the confetti. Bring the girls. Let's go.
There wasn't getting any lighter. Sentry going up.
Aw, crap!
Hey! Off my property!
Son, I'm gonna blow that dumb look right off your stupid face.
Here's a schematic for you. My ass!
Take it like a man.
Crying, baby!
You know what girls love? Unicorns! Look it up!
Friendship is stupid magic!
Pressure getting to you?
It's good time to run, coward!
I am not a unicorn! I'm a pink rhinoceros!
Hide, coward!
You done incurred my wrath, son.
Okay, this does not look good here. I'm too handsome to die!
You ladies should have brought some men.
My pony magic does nothing!
How'd that plan turn out for you, dummy?
I'm dead!
Let this be lesson for you!
And another thing, you're ugly. That is the God's honest truth.
What? What is this? I want a rematch!
Dumber than dirt, ain't you?
Hey, thanks for saving my spot.
I promise you, pain without end.
Erecting a statue of a moron.
Yeah, whatever.
You, yes, you are going to Brazil.
Ah! Whoa!
Start praying, boy.
Oh no! Call my lawyer! And the toast. Ah! What is it with this dust? Where am I? Someone's gonna pay for this. Whoa! No! No! Ah!